My name is Marcy Mussari and I'm a freelance designer with IKEA Canada. Today, I'm making over their IVAR unit. First, we're going to start with the door. Take pieces of pine trim, cut them down to size, and start gluing them around the exterior of the door, creating a shaker-style look. Next, we are going to take our beadboard and start nail gunning it down in the center of the door. You can use clamps to keep everything in place until the glue dries. Once the glue dries, nail gun the corners down. Next, we're going to create the top of the unit. Take two pieces of pine board and glue them together. Then screw them to the top of the unit. Next, you're going to turn the unit upside down and start gluing 3 pieces of MDF around the edges. Screw them in and then screw in your legs to the bottom of the unit. And now it's time to paint. Add on your doors and beautiful new hardware, and you have an amazing unit that's perfect for any space.